Hello, everyone. Imagine you're coding pleasantly, and after a second, you receive a notification. This time, someone from Slack is asking you for help. You go to Google Maps because they've asked about a restaurant to search for a cool restaurant near the office, and you get another notification, this time from Gmail, finally send the invoice. But so you go to Gmail, you start looking for the invoice, and in the meantime, you get another notification. And you're constantly struggling with it. And it's said that each context switch costs you at least 2 seconds. And on average, this is based on a Harvard study, you're doing 1,200 switches a day. So you're losing around 9% of your time each week that you could spend on your family, on gaining more money or whatever, and you're spending it on wasting time. So we've came up with Q. Right here in this office during the 11 Labs hackathon, we've came up with Q, a voice assistant that is working in a way that you just click it, click a shortcut, and it has access to this computer is laggy. It has access to memory, it has access to different tools using MCP, and you get right there where you are exactly what you need. So here, an assistant helping you write an email built into your system. It has multiple features, but I don't have time for that right now. And the clicker stopped working, so here. 3 times faster typing, low RAM usage. We support all of the languages, 200 registered accounts during our beta, 35 Discord members, and it's laggy. We have a competitive advantage, and we're looking for 200.
qSpeak, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Now it's time to challenge you by the jury.
Okay, so I really like the idea. Actually, I'm also one of the beta users, beta testers.
Oh,
yeah. Just I'm thinking whether Apple and Microsoft will release something from from like something which is very great product that is already pre-installed on my Mac, for example.
Yes.
So I would be a bit afraid of this. What do you think?
We're thinking about it. Obviously, I've mentioned competition for 3 seconds. That is the existing tools, Super Whisper, etc. But our real competitors are those ones. And we feel like there is a space that is completely unhandled by those companies. For example, the Linux user base is completely unhandled, and also Siri works the way it works. It's crap. And we think we can build a solution that is nice, open, works with everything. Microsoft, for example, just released during their latest conference the MCP integration layer for all of their tools. So we feel like there is a space to go out of the system. And there are custom launchers, for example, on Mac, and people are buying it. Huge businesses are built on top of going outside of the typical loop. Yeah, so that's our idea. Oh.
I wonder how many external APIs did you integrate to make the solution work end to end, and can you make it economical for you?
We support local. For example, for voice, we support local, and we support external APIs. Realistically, for an $8 subscription, we should be full monthly. We should have plenty of space for growth. We estimate that the average user for current prices of the tokens for the state-of-the-art models is around $3 in tokens per month. So that's our current estimation.
So your margin is $5 on it?
Yes. So that's the current estimation. If the user uses local models, it's much bigger.
Next.
Yeah. Maybe team?
I love this because earlier today I was trying codename Goose by Block Protocol, which is kind of the same thing, or am I getting it wrong?
Similar, but we're still in beta. Yeah.
So they are open source, and so I'm just wondering, are you guys open source? Like, what's the strategy to grow this and make money from this?
For now, we're not open source, though our 200 users that are there, we've got like 15 requests for going open source. We don't have, we're thinking first about asking VCs if they're open to invest a bit in the development. Otherwise, we would need to scale our team more.
And how do you monetize?
We're currently, because during an OpenAI hackathon that was another one, we've gained the 3rd place and we've gained a lot of money in tokens. So we're using our current, we don't monetize yet. We're on the free beta.
Okay, so one more question. So like since it can do everything, so how do you make safe it's how you make sure it's safe?
Yes. So currently, it requires essentially nothing. We've came the security for now is, I wouldn't say on the 2nd place, but we didn't focus on it yet. We want to introduce a human in the loop. So essentially, if there are any controversial decisions to be made, depending on the tooling, it requires manual input, additional manual input. And when it comes to security for the sources of data, etc., we could also scale it in a way that it's encrypted locally, etc., etc.
Thank you very much. qSpeak, thank you very much.